Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing video for the Energea PD100 PowerHub with 156 watt power. Now these are quite popular in a sense that if you want to be charging your laptops or your MacBooks or your phones, like for example we have the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra with the USB Type-C port, which supports fast charging, I must add, then these are ideal. It also saves you having to buy so many chargers. I mean, also given the fact that nowadays when you buy a phone, it doesn't come with a charger. Okay, so let's get into the box. Oh, before that, how much did it cost? It cost me 498 Hong Kong dollars, which is the equivalent of about 64 US dollars, or 65 if you want to round it off to the nearest 5. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. So this is, we can see that. This is Energea technology that empowers 100 watt laptop maximum charging. It's got two 60 watt charge dual laptops or something. PPS support up to 100 watts. Yep, forgive me, I'm not totally on my vocabulary for PPS. I'm sure somebody watching this video will tell me straight off the bat. Maximum power is 156 watts. Whether we get that with one port is probably unlikely. This is just maybe if you add up all the power total of the ports, that's what you get. But in any case, so this is the back, and it uses the UK power plug, which is ideal for Hong Kong. Specifications, if you're really into all that technical stuff, so let's just take a look. So we have AC 100 to 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz, 2.6 amp, USB-C PD output, USB-C PPS output. There's a lot of terminology here. I don't want to get into it too much. This is a pretty new product as well, only came out in 2020. And what does that say? Warranty registration and so forth. USB-C cable must have E-marker and support 20 amp to 5 amp output. All right, okay. And what does it have on the side? Let's take a look. It says, let's get the focus back. All right, it says ultra fast charging, 4 times max speed charging, 80% power in 35 minutes. That remains to be seen, I suppose. Not that we'll do it in this video. Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0, 3.0. It also supports Samsung Adaptive Fast Charging, Huawei Fast Charging Protocol. I mean, I tell you, I'm totally not up to speed with my terminology, my vocabulary more like. Supports Nintendo Switch, headphones, laptops, MacBooks, and so forth. Compatible devices, USB-C laptops, phones, tablets, power bank, wireless speaker, gaming console, controllers, and wireless headsets, yada yada. Okay, let's get into the box. Sorry, too much waffle. All right, just see if I can open it from there. Oh, hang on. Ah, there we go. You can never have one standard box. The companies always have to find some newfangled ways of having an innovative box, and it takes a while to open. It's not as simple as these people in the YouTube make it out to be. You know, they keep asking me, "Oh, Paul, why do you keep damaging the boxes? You've got a really nice box." All right, there is the charger. Okay, well, there is the adapter, charger, whatever you care to call it. Let's take the wrapping off. See, unlike the other charger that I have, I've got this other charger. I might just show you. This is the max power one. I've got a YouTube video for this. And this one, the total wattage is 120 watts. And this is 156. And if I put them side by side like that, and you can sort of make out the dimensions roughly, it's kind of similar. The only thing about this one is it doesn't have that nifty stand, you know, where you can stand it up like that, or, well, I suppose you need that stand, because if you do that, it's going to fall. But this, I think if you stand it like that, yeah, you actually don't need the stand. Okay. All right, that's good. So what we have is this. Sorry, I've got the camera up at the top, so I'll just point it up like this. So we have USB-C ports, the two QC 3.0, looks like a USB standard port, the shape anyways. There's the Energy logo, and plug A and a wire. So we've got this. Okay, it's a UK plug. So, right, you can't really see it, but I'm going to plug it to the socket in the back. So just bear with me, please. So now let's plug this thing up. So what we'll do is just get the wire and plug it to the back. It's pretty straightforward, and we'll just jam that in there, switch it on, turn on the power, and there we go. That's pretty much that. It's pretty similar to what we have in the other video for this one, which you can see on my YouTube channel. What could we test? Okay, I'm just going to keep it simple. So I have to admit, I'm using my iPhone to film, so I can't actually show the iPhone on the screen per se, so we'll just use this one. So just get a USB Type-C wire and just plug it in. I'm not going to be testing to see what the speed is now. What's the, let's see, the battery level. Hang on, let me just give us a moment. Right, it says 87%. Not that that matters much, but if I just jam that in, yep, it does the job. Well, it charges anyway. I don't know if it's fast charging. I'm sure it is. I'll give it some time, I guess. So, yeah, that's pretty much that. I'm not going to, go any further with this. I think this is a pretty simple video. I'm going to keep it short, keep it simple. It's like 7 or 8 minutes anyways. So there we go. That is the Energea charger, or the PowerHub as we call it. I keep using my own terminology here. So that is basically what we have. You can power laptops, notebooks, MacBooks, phones, tablets, the whole lot. I'm so confident about this product, I actually went and bought another one. So I have 2 of these things. So this one's still in the box, it hasn't been opened, and this one obviously has been opened. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Just take that out, and goodbye. Thank you.